Hey guys, we're live right now, so sorry, so sorry for I guess like the late stream. I don't know what the fuck my stream was doing. Like literally, it wasn't even working for like literally straight up 10 minutes. So, but I got it to work. Stream is coming on right now. Swipe up. It's Friday. Alright guys, what's going on? Sorry for the late stream again. Um, I have no idea why it was fucking up for some reason. It took me such a long time to set it up, but anyways, we are here. I was looking at this trade right over here. Use 100. I feel like we're gonna go up today. There's bearish divergence on top, so not really clean to be honest. But I definitely see this going up today on the market open. Earnings season is almost up, is almost coming too, so I'm expecting for the earnings season on stocks too. We're probably gonna see a lot of bullish momentum to be honest. You know, which kind of sounds weird because, you know, there's like over 100 companies that got bankrupt, if you think about it, that have, declared bankruptcy. And then, it's just like, a lot of companies are struggling with this coronavirus and, stocks are still going up. So with this earnings season, yeah, I'm expecting some of the earnings to be negative. But like freaking stocks have been going up ever since, even on the worst negative news. Just doesn't make any sense. So like I wouldn't expect, stocks to go up. Will go up for the earnings season because like again, like everything's been going up. So yeah, that's just my little one point on that. And yeah, let's just see what happened, in this next couple of weeks for earnings season. Because like it's really gonna show me how manipulated the stock market is. Whenever the earnings are literally fucking horrible, and the stocks are literally going up. Let's look at US 100 too. I mean JVP USD. We got a little D1 over here action here. Yeah, EuroCAD as well pushing up. This is I'm pretty sure the 800 EMA on the 4 hour. Or daily, what is it? No, this is off. So we saw a bounce from right over here. So I was expecting it to go all the way down to at least the 50 EMA. And then I was like, okay, if it goes down to 50 EMA, we could be looking for D1s. But unfortunately, it's not doing that, so, But EuroCAD is definitely bullish today. GBP CAD. You know, it's off the 800 EMA now. Yeah, I just don't see it. No, sir. Don't see it. GPUD. Bullish. We could see a D1 up over here. For GA, I have it marked up. You know, like, higher time frames are not the best. It's bullish 1 hour TDI. You know, EMAs are bearish, and you know the higher time frames are not toward this direction. But again, it's, you know, you could have risk to reward on that. Let's see what we're doing here. And nothing really significant. Is there nothing at all? USD, I like how the short bias is coming into play. We'll see what happens here. We're below the 1 daily 800 EMA. We've been trying to we've been making lower highs from right over here on the top, nice, and higher lows. So I don't know. We'll see what this does. Still holding structure from right over here. It looks like it broke a little bit over here, but from right over here, looks like we're still holding that. That looks interesting. I might just do a quick scalp on US 100. Yeah, I definitely gotta do that, Dane. I gotta get a new desk first, though. I'm planning to get at least like 5 monitors, like all around, cause like that looks freaking sick. But yeah, I'm still trying to look for basically a desk. USD news. You mean the Euro CAD news, the CAD news? Cause I don't see no. Yeah, it's pretty sure we don't have no USD news today. No, so for the 7:30 CAD news, it shouldn't really affect USD pairs. It just affects the CAD base pairs, obviously. But and for the PPI, which is the basically like one of the indicators they use, just to measure how the economy is doing well. Core PPI and PPI, they don't really affect price too much. So like, you know, I don't really mind trading into that. But again, you know, sometimes it does make the market a little bit, you know, a little volatile for like 1 minute candle or something like that. Okay, I want to see US 100. $1.3R. I like how it's making structure from over here. 15 minutes. I'll see if it holds that level. If it does, then I may want to scalp it for a quick 1R. We still have a lot of, I guess, potential toward the top of the pre-market range. We do have some bearish divergence here. This looks like it's touching right now from over here. But I will mark it off this point, and I'll mark another one off this point. because of, you know, how I just had bear subversion on top for less than 1.3 R. Yeah. So it's not the best. Plus, like, I would only take toward the high or the pre-market high, and then toward this level over here too. But I like how it's, you know, it's respecting the 50 right now. I like how it's making structure right now as well. If we see a bounce, I may just take it a quick. Spread isn't too bad. We'll see. I want some strong bullish momentum. I'm risking 5.7 points. Oh, I like how the liquid 50 is falling and the RSI structure is falling as well. See if we hold that level. Yeah, I have a couple of monitors, but the FTMO challenge. I would recommend only for people who are actually like profitable with the system, consistent with the system. You know, because the FTMO challenge, if you guys don't know, over 9% of people win on it. So it's not like the easiest thing to do. So I wouldn't recommend, because like that's even, the success rate on that is even like worse. It's like probably like 5% of traders doing these. I would probably recommend doing the. For me, I mean, like, personally, for me, that's easy. Like I just, you know, less than I could basically pass the challenge in less than. But other than that, I would probably recommend just, again, like, you know, making sure that you're actually consistent with the system and you're profitable and you have your trading psychology on point, because the challenge is meant to basically literally as a person literally, because of how it is, like, you know, like it fucks with your psychology so much, so you definitely have to be careful with that, because yeah, it is earned money, but you know, it is affecting you really like a lot because of that challenge. And if you fail, you lose your deposit, and as well as a chance on getting a 100K account. So it does really affect and come into play a lot with trader psychology. So I would just recommend, you know, just taking it easy, you know, making sure you're profitable with the system and you're consistent with it. Not to do something crazy, you know, on the, like, go on the lowest one, like the 10K challenge. You know, do the easiest one first, and then once you become consistent with that and you pass the challenge, then you can start basically going, you know, to 25K to 50K, and then so forth. I like how it's pushing up. I may take this. I want some clean momentum, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Bullish engulfing bar in the last 9 seconds, and then I want a second upcoming. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see if the next bar is bullish. I like how that bar is just, it's cleaner. So let's see what it does. Yeah, I'm in. I'm in. Still holding that level. TP set over here. I can get at least 2R on that, so I'm completely awesome on that. Yeah, 10% doesn't seem that harsh. But again, you know, it's an FTMO challenge. You know, it's completely different from trading your live account. In my opinion, you know, it's just, you know, the psychology really gets to you. I had a couple of friends that took the FTMO challenge, and you know, like they just couldn't handle the psychology on it. You know, because again, like the FTMO challenge, the average win rate on it is 9%. Like if you guys think about it, 9%, so literally like more than like freaking, what is it, like 89% of people lose. 89% of people actually like pass the I mean, like 89% of people who, like 90%, 91%. Like that's insane. You know, if you guys think about that, that's the same stats, like, to be honest, on trading as well. You know, but again, like, be on point whenever you take the challenge. Breaks to 51, so I like that. I'm not getting in yet on this specifically. I like how it's off the edge of the high. I'll mark it as a level for me to be at. Pivot is right there, so that's bearish indication. Looks like we're off this little level over here, which makes sense. You guys can take that first break of the 50 if you want, but I personally won't because I'm already in the trade. But I'll definitely trade the retest, the retest if we get one. We are in profit on use 100. Looks like it's going for a retest actually. This kind of interests me. Maybe I could take this. No, I won't count that as a retest. Okay, nice. 1.5%. Nice. We're locking our stop at 0.3R. I like it. I like this a lot. That's funny. It just gaps up on you. Oh, we're pushing up. Let's go, baby. I'm locking my baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me some push up. Let's go, indices. You never let me you never let me down, bro. Go parabolic on me. I just closed 50%. Risk free, 50%. Let's go. Easy. Nice win for the end of the Friday. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. She never lets me down. US 100 never let. Nothing looks good. Push up, baby. 2R. Let's go. I like it. I like how clean this is. Buyers are pushing it up right. We're pushing up on US 100 right now. We're already at break even. We're already close half of 1R. Did a reload retest. I like that actually. Liquid 50 RSI is falling. Liquid the RSI in the 15 minute isn't actually through the TL, so I wouldn't actually like trade that. Like the ideal retest for me right now is if it retests to 50, pulls back on it, and you know the RSI goes through the TL in the 50 minute, and then like the liquid 50 goes into the buy zone. That's like the ideal retest for me. But I'm not saying that, unfortunately. So if I actually take this retest, it's a less probable retest. I could, don't get me wrong, it's still a D1. It's still holding off this level. My stop, same place basically. It's pushing up. Let's see what it does. Let's go. Oh, oh baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push up. Push up. One bit risky on that. I'm about almost 1% for the day. Bum. Hey. Push up. Let's go. Let's go. Push up. We are about almost 4% on the week. Let's go. Consistency, bitch. Let's go. And every day I'm going down. To be honest, I can't really trade like on the 15-minute that much. I have to trade on the 1 minute, guys. You know, like there's too much unpredicted shit happening, so I can't really like trade it off much on the 15-minute. I could just try scalping it like I'm doing right now. Ugh. If we... Or we can make a new higher low from right over there, which I kind of like. I mean the lower high. Looks like it's pulling back right now. There's a third retest. I'm definitely getting on that for sure. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do its thing. Done. We're almost at 2R. Let's go. Yeah, we're pushing off. We're closing. Come on, close above that level. Let's go. Hey, 2R. Just closed another 30%. Let's go. 2R. Let's go. Now about at 1.30%. 4%. We got like 50% left to make it a 5% week. If I really want to. Let's go, baby. Hey, let's go. We're making money. What time is it? It is 6 o'clock for me. We already made money. Let's go. Who turned my music off? We're still hitting it. We're almost at 2.3 R. Let's go. I told you guys we're gonna close above that zone. It's on the 1 minute. That's just a strong indication that we're gonna see this fucking insane bullish momentum. Let's go. And it's still pushing up. Let's go. Come on. I have about 20% left on my position. It's gonna close above that target. Let's go. Hey, we're pushing up. Let's go. We just pushed off that target. Still pushing up. Oh my god. Let's go. And it's still pushing up. Let's go. It's like, you know, we're gonna give you some more money today, Jason. That's why I love trading, like, basically like London session. I'm not London session, I guess, like pre-market hours before the market opens, like really early, because there's a lot of momentum that you can catch before the actual like insane volatility happens. So I did that, I caught that, and basically like, look it. Let's put some W's in chat, guys. We got that easy dub. 3R on that. Let's go. Let's see what this is doing. It's making lower trade. I'm already up on the day. I'm only gonna take this trade if the probabilities are really high. So, bar right there. We could see it pop all the way up to the zone, to the high of the pre-market high, and this little zone that I have marked up right over here. We're just seeing that push. Let's go. As you guys can see here, it's making structure. Higher high, higher high. Boom. It lets me down. GBPUSD. It's like it's just fucking. What are we doing in the 15-minute? No, we're just going parabolic mode. $3.8R. Let's go. Almost 4R.
It's YouTube Music. Download the app today and get a trial of Music Premium on us. Restrictions apply.
Still pushing up. Let's go. I'm almost passing that FTMO challenge, like that 10K challenge easily. Like I started it this week and I'm almost done with it, so I could try being done with it this week, but to be honest, like I'm not really feeling it. But I'll for sure get it done this week. I mean next week for sure, because I'm almost there anyways. Plus I don't want to like overtrade anything, you know. Using an account, you know, I still gotta stick to my rules and stick to the plan. So definitely don't want to be over trading. We were holding that support. Looks like we're hooking back up. Let's see what TDI is doing. It's overbought. guess we're holding some support on this level. So right now I close a little bit more. I have a 10%, which is pretty good. You know, it's not going to do a lot for me, but still. It's all about that consistency. Stream is laggy. I have full bars, so I wouldn't. Yeah, maybe I'll change the ingest server. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry for the lag. I really don't fucking like that. I really want to, give you guys a, really, good experience for you guys. So, sorry about that. Won't. Pretty sure I'll fix that up in the next stream, on Monday's stream. I mean, for US 100 right now, I'm not really liking it, to be honest. So we got divergence set here, false divergence, and then we got bearish divergence on top. So it's a less probable trade on top of that, and there's bearish divergence on top too as well. So which one is it? That's a problem whenever it comes into trading. Whenever it comes, having multiple D1s, opposite D1s, D1, D2s on top and on bottom. So, I don't know. Nothing looks good to me. EuroCAD. Let's see what we're doing in EuroCAD. Looks like we're bouncing from this level. Let's see if we actually fall down. If we fall down to the 50, I will look to short it off the 50, possibly. I want to see what we're doing in the 1 minute. Possibly maybe falling down. But to be honest, I'm already up 1% on the day. More than 1% on the day. So, I'm going to take my winner and probably just leave. It's Friday. Don't really want to leave. And it looks like, price right now is, it may just fall down below the 800 EMA, in my opinion, on GBP CAD. GPAUD. Probably saw a D1 right over here, probably, maybe. No, sir, no D1. Doing his thing. So I think I would probably look at EuroCAD and JPCAD. I mean, probably EuroCAD. Fall down off the 50. JPCAD definitely, it's not a swapping like the 50, but since the 800 EMA is right there, for me, I don't personally trade it whenever the 800 EMA is in the way. So I would probably not, even though there's no swapping like the 50 on here. I don't know. It's like a bit of terms, like, EuroCAD, of course, is just walking up to 50, stays in the sell zone for about 2 hours, 3 hours before pulling up. There's a level off here that it bounced as well, but it's not off the 800 EMA. So I personally will like EuroCAD much better. Even though GBP CAD, EMA is liquid 50, it's much better. If you guys look at it, it's really much better. But I'll probably look at EuroCAD. And like JPUSD, like, again. It's a bit of both worlds. could see a fall over here, and then probably have the D1 push all the way lower. But I want to see some. I want to see some structure.